In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glide for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to start a new project, customize it with content and features, and share your finished app with others. First, go to Glide in your browser. When the page loads, sign into your account. Logging in ensures your work is saved, and you can come back to it from any device. On the left sidebar, click Apps to open your app workspace. Then click New App. You'll see a few ways to begin. Choose a template if you want a ready-made starting point with pages and sample data already set up. Pick Basic App for a streamlined starter that helps you learn the fundamentals without too much structure. Select Blank App if you prefer to build everything from scratch, or if your information already lives in Google Sheets or Airtable. Connect that data source so your app pulls content directly from your spreadsheet. After you've decided, click Create App. You'll land in the editor, where you shape how your app looks and behaves. Start with Layout to change your app's style. This is where you adjust themes, colors, and how screens are arranged so your app feels clear and consistent. Next, open Data to edit titles, descriptions, and images. Update the wording to match your use case, and swap in the images that best represent your content. Then explore components. Here you can add buttons, forms, maps, and other elements that make your app interactive. Drag in what you need and adjust the settings so each component displays the right data. When you're ready to control how people interact with your content, go to Actions. Enable actions to let users add, edit, or delete items, and tailor the experience to what your audience should be able to do. If you need help or quick ideas, click Agent for AI chat assistance. You can ask for guidance on layouts, find where a setting lives, or get suggestions to speed up your build. Now click Settings to polish the essentials. Update your app name so it's easy to recognize. Choose an icon that fits your brand or purpose. Refine appearance to keep visuals consistent across screens. Then check access settings to decide who can open your app and how they sign in, aligning access with your goals. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Glide will generate a link for your app. Copy and share the app link with your audience so they can start using it right away.